helping you plan your day. WOWT 6 is the weather authority.
Thanks for checking out your forecast. I'm meteorologist Jared Robinson. Today we're going to see temperatures back in the upper 50s and lower 60s across the area. Shouldn't see anything but sunshine out there. Towards the end of the day, a few clouds kind of building in, but otherwise mostly sunny throughout the entire day. This evening, though, partly cloudy skies. Our temperatures will stay a little bit more mild through the evening, but then quickly dropping off thanks to light winds once that sun starts to set. And don't forget, tonight we start daylight saving time, so make sure you'll set those clocks an hour ahead. 53 at lunchtime, 59 at 3 o'clock, and mid-50s as we head towards 6 o'clock. So here you go. You'll want to set the clocks an hour ahead tonight. Also make sure just to check those batteries in the smoke detector and also replace them in the carbon monoxide detector. A good time to do that just to make sure that they stay charged up. Here we go. Full forecast for you. 60 degrees on Monday. A little bit of a drop off here Sunday. You're going to notice the winds kicking up a little bit more today thanks to a weak cold front moving through. So slight dip in temperatures on Sunday, but I assure you the rest of the week stays nice and warm. Very spring-like forecast for us as we go from Monday all the way to next Friday. Nothing but sunshine with temperatures climbing to the mid-60s on Tuesday, close to 70 degrees as we head into Wednesday and Thursday.